Hi, folks. Wanted to give a quick update. We are in week 6, and we actually you folks are about to complete the alphabetic keyboarding, and I hope you did um, enhance your skills in terms of being able to navigate through those keys more effectively, more efficiently. Um, Once we do finish the alphabetic keyboarding, we could get into. Um, we're going to wind up getting into the numeric keypad and the keyboard, the numeric keyboard. On some of the PCs on the personal computers on the right hand side, there's numbers. There's a second set of numbers, but on a lot of these devices today, it's just on the top, and that's called the numeric keyboard. The keypad was that set of numbers on certain keyboards. It's usually an external keyboard to input data. But moving on to these numbers and symbols, they're hard reaches. I, I honestly, when I learned how to keyboard, I never really learned it um, the proper way, so I still don't do it to this day correctly. I try to, but I just, if you give me, for example, um, if I'm typing and all of a sudden it's the number 17, I still have to look down. I can't do it because I never learned it right. But you have an opportunity to learn it correctly. It's a hard reach, and back to home run. Um, then we get into once you finish the alphabetic keyboard, uh, that's going to be session 12. So we're doing 9 through 12 this week. Once you get done with that, you could start your timings. Now, I want to make it clear with the timings, and I'll say it again. But by the end of the course, I need 3 of your best timings. So a 35 words a minute with um, with you, for every minute, um, you can't have um, you can't have more than one mistake. So, 3 minute timings, you're allowed 3 errors or less. If you do 3 errors or less, and you're satisfied with that grade, you don't have to do anymore. I take your 3 best timings. If you're satisfied with your three, and you're satisfied with a 95, um, you don't have to do anymore. So some students just keep on doing these timings and these timings. They have 100 on it, and you don't have to do anymore. So 3 of your 3 best timings. Now here's the thing: the timings begin on session 36. So if you want to do a timing after you finish session 12, you would go to session 36 to attempt that 3 minute timing, if that makes sense. So, any questions, let me know. But this week we're wrapping up the alphabetic, getting in keyboard, getting into numbers in session 14, and then the week after that we have just be prepared that mid-semester participation assignment is due, and that is right here, mid-year participation assignment. It's it's a document. It's on there. Um, and it's due 3/12, and there's just some questions. So just if you want to hand that in this week, you could do that. So um, if you have any questions, let me know. Hope you guys have a great week, um, um, and I'll speak with you folks next week. Bye.